Subscribe Moon Beauty Tips and also press the bell icon to get notified with our latest videos.
Hello friends, welcome to your channel Moon Beauty Tips. Today I am going to show you a perfect natural remedy. By using it, you will be able to remove your unwanted hair very fast and naturally. This hair removal mask is very easy to make at home. There is no side effect and the result is pretty instant and amazing. The painful temporary method in removing unwanted facial hair like threading, plucking, waxing or laser treatment are known to us. These methods may cause skin allergies, making your skin look saggy, and in some cases they even make your hair grow as a first rate. So, natural remedies are always safe and cost efficient too. Turmeric, an all-in-one Indian spice, is best in losing facial hair without any pain. This remedy gradually turns into a permanent hair reduction therapy. After just one-time use, you will get noticeable change in your skin. So, let's start with this process. Before starting, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will get first notification of our future videos. In this process, only we need is half cup of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt and half cup of sesame oil. Now, I am adding all the ingredients. Stir the mixture well to form a smooth paste. Add turmeric until the mixture is runny. Apply the turmeric paste to the area you want to remove the unwanted hair. Rub your circular motion like this. Rub for 5 to 10 minutes gently. Now allow the paste to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Now I am going to wash it off with warm water. After this, pat dry your skin gently. Continue this mask for 2 to 3 times a week till all your unwanted hair has been removed completely. If you like this video, press the like button. To get more beauty tips, subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. For today, I am signing off. We'll meet you soon in another video. Bye bye.